Anyway, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Badger and Babe. Got Babe with me today.
Yay.
We did not do a intro at the house or even partial of the way here because for some reason I hit record on the GoPro and it recorded hours of just non-stop gibberish of us at the house just chit-chatting about
things ready
stupid. Yeah,
minute.
so
Yeah.
we anyway, we're here at our first stop on our way to Bowling Green. A little bit of rain. Traffic was kind of rough going through like Morgantown and Fairmont area, but traffic was pretty good. A little bit of rain. That was it. Not pretty easy ride, I think. It's been a long time since we rode that far. A little over 200 miles today, so my butt's sore. I don't know about yours.
I'm alright.
You alright? Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. We're going to go downstairs. We're going to eat, get something to drink. You guys can come along with us, see what we eat. See you in a minute.
That's like so neat. That's so neat. But the drawback.
When you have to pee at night, you got to walk the whole way down the stairs to go to the bathroom.
What are you doing?
Oh, just getting some B-roll. That's the way movie people call it.
Oh my goodness.
What a night. What a day. Heck of a ride. Good time with Barry and June.
Yeah.
Had some supper. Steph had her steak.
It wasn't great.
Really? I had carbs. It was awesome. I had like 3 beers. 2 packs of French fries. It's good stuff. Now I'm going to pass out. I'm exhausted. It was a long day. Long ride. Longer ride tomorrow. What, 378 miles to Bowling Green?
Yeah.
It's a long way to go.
Mm-hmm.
Well, anyway, you got your bed. I got my bed. Let's go to bed.
Okay. Good night.
It's okay. You've got plenty of time to work this out.
Bird is being shy. Day 2. 378 miles to go to Bowling Green. We're ready. No rain. A little bit of rain. There might be rain. Who knows?
Yeah, in like 2 hours though. We'll definitely hit rain.
At some point, you're gonna hit rain. You always do. But, see you guys at Bowling Green. Now I'm here.
Okay. All right. I was saying it's very sunny right now.
Yeah, it is. For right now. But soon it won't be. All right. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Dun 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 dun.
I don't know what that is.
That was my dance.
What are you singing?
Are you ready for this?
Oh, the sports jams or something like that.
I don't know what it was. I know the chorus, that's it.
Yeah, I don't think that was quite it, but I know what you mean. Ooh, puppy.
Puppy!
Very dog-friendly hotel. I like it.
Yeah. Where'd he go? There he is.
I believe that's a she.
I don't know.
With the TV.
Yeah, I mean, do I need to watch TV while I'm getting
Be
gas?
entertained for the 30 seconds it takes to fill your tank. Or inundated with ads. That's what it really is.
Oh, yeah.
Advertising opportunities.
Advertisements.
Mm-hmm.
I'm blinded by the light. Okay. We gotta go that way. Had to get the rain gear on.
Got a little wet.
Little bit. We'll make it. Cool place we stopped. Made it to Bowling Green. Woohoo! Now to the elevator to get food because I'm hungry.
Now we have to go see everybody first.
Yes. Stephanie, hit the button.
There's Linda.
I see me seeing you. Look, there's Linda. Lie, Linda.
I was gonna go check out, see if there's a place outside. And where breakfast and all that. Oh, yeah.
How are you?
How are you?
Good.
We haven't seen any around since December, probably.
Usually they chase everything else away.
Right. Well, now, like, we were missing. We used to have squirrels, and those went away. Now,
Where are we? I don't even know where we are. Where are we? Montana Grill?
Montana Grill.
Montana Grill. Yeah. Good food. Good beer.
There it is.
Well, how do you follow that?
That's a tough act to follow. All right, so we're gonna have pizza and salad starting here very shortly, but before we do that, I would like Gary to take our group photo. So we'll do our group photo, do pizza. Somebody said now? Yeah. Yeah, now, we'll do that now. So you can stand, Cindy, before you fall over. After pizza, there will be ice cream, brownies, and cookies. So please enjoy this night. This is for you guys. I cannot thank the staff enough here at the hotel. They've been awesome to work with. We have our bartender here the whole time. After, you do not have to leave. We can hang out here. So let's make them feel Latrobe HOG welcome. Gary, where do you want us for our picture? You want to stand up here? Yeah. And we'll do the 50-50 at the end. $545 to the winner.
Forget that thing. I thought you said it was cones.
I thought it was too because they brought on one of those thingies. I just like.
Oh, very good.
I should have got a bowl, I guess. I just went up there and somebody handed this to me. I thought, I don't want it.
Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I think Detroit's one of those dying cities, isn't it? It's kind of.
That's the impression that I have.
Yeah,
I could be totally wrong. I don't know.
And Nashville, when we were there 3 years ago, was kind of a booming metropolis.
It was like Times Square.
Yes, pre-COVID nights, Times Square.
Yes, of course.
Okay, another good hog party, rally, a lot of food.
Adrian ate too much and drank too much.
I had second dinner.
Overindulged.
As I do. That's what I do.
No self-control.
I don't have any self-control. I don't. I take it too far all the time. Oh well. Anyway, plans for tomorrow, just kind of playing it by ear. We may do something. We may not do anything.
It's supposed to rain off and on.
Off and on, you know, we may try to head to the Corvette Museum. We may go to Fort Campbell, Kentucky. I don't know. We've got a lot of plans. Hi, how you doing? A lot of plans. Nothing in concrete. So, play by ear. Chris. So our friends caught up on things.
Friends we haven't seen in a year and a half.
Well, since October at least.
Well, some way before
We went
that.
down to the Tale of the Dragon.
Well, yeah, those friends, but other friends.
Other
That
friends,
weren't on
yeah,
that trip. We
way,
haven't
way,
seen in like 2 years
yeah. It's
because
been
of COVID,
a long time. Long time. Anyway, that's it.
We're going to bed.
Tired.